everyone, my name is Rishikesh Kargeti. I am studying in class 5th E. Today I am telling you about short note on vitamins. My school name is St. Andrew Scott Senior Secondary School. So let's start the presentation. First question, what are vitamins? Vitamins are organic molecules that are essential micronutrients which an organism needs for proper functioning of its metabolism. These essential nutrients cannot be synthesized in the organism and therefore must be obtained through diet. Now, types of vitamins. The different types of vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B7, vitamin B9 and last is vitamin B12. Okay. Now, vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for healthy vision, teeth, skeletal tissues, mucous membranes, soft tissues and skin. Vitamin A is found in green vegetables, leafy vegetables, eggs, cod liver oil, cereals, etc. Deficiency of vitamin A cause night blindness, anemia, dry skin, bumpy skin, hair loss and increased severity risk of diarrhea and measles. Now vitamin B. There are 8 B vitamins collectively called as B complex vitamins. They are B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. Vitamin B complex help prevent infections and helps growth of red blood cells, energy level, good digestion, proper nerves function, etc. Source of vitamin B are whole grains, meat, eggs, legumes, milk, seeds and nuts, leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. Now we learn about vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is important for repairment of tissues and proper functioning of several enzymes and improve immune function. Vitamin C is found in all citrus fruits, chilies and peppers, spinach and other leafy vegetables, cabbage, tomatoes, etc. Vitamin C deficiency may lead to scurvy and other skin diseases, bleeding gum, muscle fatigue, internal bleeding and impaired wound healing. Okay. Now vitamin D. Human body produces vitamin D as a response to sun exposure. Other sources include fatty fishes like tuna, mackerel and salmon, beef liver, egg yolk, cheese and orange juice. It also protects against certain diseases such as type 1 diabetes by regulating insulin level. It is also helpful in promoting healthy bones and teeth, supporting immune system and nervous system, supporting lung function and cardiovascular health. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Now, vitamin E. Vitamin E is found naturally in some foods, added to others, and available as a dietary supplement. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that may help slow the aging process of your cells. Vitamin E is also found in vegetable oil, nuts and seeds, green leafy vegetables, cereals, etc. Vitamin E deficiency causes digestive problem, vision problems, and may also lead to muscle weakness. Now we learn vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a key role in blood clot and thus prevents excessive blood loss. Vitamin K is largely obtained from meat, cheese, eggs, and synthesized by bacteria. Deficiency of vitamin K may lead to uncontrolled bleeding, bone problems, and cardiovascular problems. Now we learn about interesting facts about vitamins. Based on their solubility, vitamins can be fat soluble or water soluble. Vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat soluble. Vitamins B complex and C are water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in body's fatty tissues. Interesting facts about vitamins. Now we learn some more interesting facts about vitamins. Water soluble vitamin must be used by the body right away. Contrary to its name, vitamin D is not a vitamin but a hormone that is synthesized by sunlight. Vitamin C, E, and A act as antioxidants. They prevent cells from being damaged by oxygen. Contrary to popular belief, vitamins do not provide energy themselves. Thanks and regards. Bye.